Today, you're going to learn how to cook egusi soup. Alright, so for the ingredients, what we got is some palm oil, some salt, some super hot Jamaican peppers, some crayfish powder, some onga seasoning, ugu leaves, egusi, stockfish, and dry catfish. And then over here, what we got is some onions, and then we got some cooked meats. First step, what we're going to do, we're going to toss in the palm oil. Let that get a little bit heated up. Then we're going to throw in some onions. Give that a little stir. Alright, now let's throw some spice in there. Let's toss in those peppers. I'm telling you, these peppers are potent. I just sniffed them and they went all the way down my throat. I sniffed them all the way down my throat. Alright, next we're going to toss in the egusi. We're going to go ahead and give that egusi a mix so that, it can get all mixed up together. Next, you're going to throw in some water, 1 cup of water, toss that in. And then give it a little mix so that it becomes like this kind of form. So now it's like a paste almost. And that's what you need it to be at. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to throw in our cooked meats. So what this is shaki, which is the cow stomach, cow foot, and lamb. What I did was I cooked the meat in a pressure cooker. And that's what I would advise you to do as well, so that the meat becomes soft and tender, and when you eat it later on, it's delightful taste. Give that a mix to allow for the egusi and the cooked meats to marinate together. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we're going to take the stock from the cooked meats that was in the pressure cooker and pour it into the meat and the egusi and give that a mix so that it becomes more like a soupy-like substance. And then once it's more soupy, you're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. And then now we're going to go ahead and season. We need to put in the crayfish powder first. And then after you put in the crayfish powder, you're going to go ahead and you're going to get the unga. This is what I'm using. And what I've realized from the unga is that it really reminds me of ramen noodle season packaging. But, I still like it. It came out really nice. You're going to go ahead and toss that in. You can use 1 or 2. I think I used 2. Give that a mix so you can season up your meat and your egusi. Now for what the next step we're going to do is we're going to toss in our stockfish and we're going to toss in the dried catfish. And then you're going to give that a mix so that the meats can mix around with the egusi and it will become more like a thick substance. And after it becomes more of a thick substance, after you mix this together, you're going to need to go ahead and you're going to need to add in either water or you can go ahead and add in the stock from the meat from earlier. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw in the stock from the meat from earlier. I feel as if you put water, you don't want to waste that juice from that meat. It's so nice. Cover this up. Let that cook for about 10 minutes. And then after it's cooked for about 10 minutes and the fish has become soft, you're going to want to go ahead and put in the ugu leaves. You're going to want to put in the ugu leaves. And I believe this is pumpkin leaves, if I'm correct. I'll have to do my research, but yeah, it's from Nigeria. I'm pretty sure it's pumpkin leaves. Give that a nice mix. You're gonna mix around the meats and the ugu leaves, and you got in here. You got fish, you got lamb, You got cow foot, cow stomach. And if you like, you can add salt. You don't have to add salt. If you want to give it an extra taste, you can go ahead and put some salt. This is what I'm gonna do. Take off the top, give it a mix, and yeah, man, that's egusi soup. This is a Nigerian dish. I was inspired to do this because I found out that I was part Nigerian due to an Ancestry.com test. But yeah, alhamdulillah, that's it. You can either eat this with, pounded yam, fufu, rice, bread, whatever you like. Today we're gonna have it with pounded yam, and that's a juicy soup for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Abuelita Eats.